Hello YouTube, today we're gonna do unboxing and short review of this waffle maker. It's from Bella. I've tried products from Bella. I had a blender and I had a griddle. So those were pretty okay. I kind of like them. They kind of lasted for at least a couple of years. So it's the first time I've tried the waffle maker, and before I open the box, I'm just gonna go through some features mentioned in the box. You can see it's got this power ready indicator lights. It's got this removable drip tray for easy cleaning, so you can easily clean the tray. So it's got this non-stick cooking plates for the interiors. You got this browning control knob also, that way you can set it how much browning you want to have it in a waffle. And it's got this folding handle. As the picture shows, you can rotate it. I believe it's all 360. I'm not sure, we're gonna have to check that. Rotates for evenly cooked bells and waffles. So let's see in the box what we got here. User manual. So that one I have to go to later, but you can see it's got all the labels here, how you're going to use it, just to, some social media stuffs, and just gonna put it aside. And there you go. So there's nothing in the box. I'm just gonna keep it here like this, and I think it's kind of like a plate. So there you go. You can see that's a handle. So it's the quality is nice. I kind of like the quality. So that's how you can. First, I think this is the originals. The standard position here. You can see it's got this power and ready, power as well as ready indicated there. Red means power, blue means ready, and you can set those browning settings with this knob. It's kind of rubberized, but it looks flimsy, but it's okay with the price I paid. And you can see you can adjust this handle, perpendicular, as well as parallel to this housing. So I'm just gonna open it, and I don't think you can rotate this one once you take the top lid out, but if you, let's say you had your waffle here and you just kind of rotate it, and the back side it also kind of shows you when you're the ready indicator there, and it's kind of like a steel body housing it has there. It'll be easy to clean too, and this rotates. I think it's rotates a full 360. No, I think it rotates a full circle. So clockwise, then you just do counterclockwise to bring it back. You got this non-sticky interior, and if there's nothing there, I probably think this is the plate. You just put it on the bottom here. If you just drip something on the bottom, you click here. It's got this nice padding on the bottom leg, so you have a little bit of a slippery surface where you can get a grip. So think that's all I have. I'm just gonna turn it on just to show you guys. So now you can see here the power is on. So once you just wait for a couple of maybe minutes, then this blue indicator would be turning blue. Then it means it's ready for you to prepare your waffle. Then you can put your waffle mix here, and you can just start making a waffle by yourself. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this video.